Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I'm here with a new topic and this is article. In this series I'm going to explain you about articles. So how many types of articles are there? There are two types of articles, okay? Definite article or indefinite article. Definite article the and indefinite article a or n. Okay? So definite article कहा किसे जाता है and where to use them correctly? The only definite article refers to a specific noun. Definite article refers to a specific noun. An indefinite article a or n, and it refers to a non-specific noun, and it used before a singular noun. A or n used before a singular noun, जबकि the it used for the specific noun. Okay. But right now I'm just going to explain you about a or n, where to use them correctly and where not to use them. In this series, in this video, I am just going to explain you about indefinite articles, that where to use them correctly and where not to use them. Okay? And in my next video, I will explain you even in details about the definite article. Alright? So now let's move to the rule number 1. Rule number 1 is use a before a consonant sounds. Use a before consonant sounds. अब कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स किसे कहा जाता है और वॉवेल साउंड किसे कहा जाता है? In our childhood when we were kids, so we must have learned about vowel sound and about consonant sounds. So vowel sounds were those like a, e, I, o, u. These 5 were vowel words, and these 5 words vowel letters, and rest of them are consonant sounds. Like a, e, I, o, u are vowel words, and rest of them like b, c, d, these all are consonant letters. Okay, so यहाँ पर a और n हमने कहाँ लगाना है? हम जो है a लगाएंगे before consonant sounds. मीन्स जो भी साउंड जो है, जो भी वर्ड है, लाइक कैट है, डॉग, बॉय, हाउस, गर्ल, यूनिवर्सिटी, मीन्स जो भी means whatever the word starts from the by giving a consonant sound, so there we will be using a. Okay, means जो भी word जो आपको consonant sounds देता है वहाँ पर हम use करते हैं a, और जो word हमें vowel sound देता है there we use n, like an orange, an ice cream, right? अब यहाँ पर आप examples में देखें consonant sounds की. a cat. So cat is what? Cat, it starts from C, and C is a consonant letter, and as well as it is giving a sound of consonant. So we will be using here a. A dog, a cat, a dog. D is what? D is a consonant letter, and it gives a sound of consonant. So we will be using here a dog, a boy, a house, a girl, and a university. So you must be thinking that how can we use a with university, because it starts from the letter U, and U is what? U is a vowel letter. A, E, I, O, U. उन 5 letters, इन 5 vowels में से ये जो U है ये start हो रहा है, university start हो रहा है U से. So how can we use A with university? So यहाँ पर हम जो A use कर रहे हैं because it gives a sound of consonant sounds. Alright, it gives a sound of consonant. That is why we are using here a. We will not use here n at all because it does not give a sound of vowel. Alright, now use n before vowel sound. Like an orange. Orange is what? Orange starts from O. O is what? O जो है हमारा a, e, I, o, u का vowel letter है. That is why we will be using here n. An ice cream, it starts from I, ice cream. So n is, we will be using here n. An old man, an elephant. In the same way an hour. Hour is what? H. H जो है ये है consonant letter. Hour. H is a consonant letter, but it gives a sound of vowel. It gives a sound of vowel hour. That is why we are using here n. Is it clear that we will be using a and where we will be using n? With the vowel we will be using n, and with the consonants we will be using a. Alright, now let's move to the next rule, that where to use them correctly. When a human being of any profession or occupation is intended to represent his or her class, we use a or n instead of the. लाइक किसी भी प्रोफेशन का कोई भी प्रोफेशन जो है अपनी क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करता है तो वहाँ पर हम यूज करते हैं ए. लाइक अ डॉक्टर ट्रीट्स पेशेंट. अ डॉक्टर ट्रीट्स पेशेंट. डॉक्टर इज व्हाट? डॉक्टर इज एनी प्रोफेशन. So we will be using here A. A doctor treats patients. A cobbler makes shoes. So here cobbler is a profession. So here we will be using A. A teacher teaches students. So teacher is what? Teacher is any profession. So we will be using here A. Alright. Now let's move to the next rule. Use A or N with countable nouns. And never use A or N with a word that is plural or uncountable nouns. Now let me clear you one thing, that we have learned about countable nouns and uncountable nouns in our last topic, like noun. हमने noun के चैप्टर में पढ़ा था countable nouns के बारे में, uncountable nouns के बारे में. So just let me remind you that what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns. Countable nouns were those which we can count, like books, cats, cars, teachers. So these all are countable nouns that we can count them. That is why this is countable noun. And what were uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns क्या थे? Which I taught you already. Uncountable nouns were water, sugar, rice, that we cannot count. Can we count rice? Can we count water? No, we cannot count. That is why these all are uncountable nouns. But right now यहाँ पर हमारे पास दो लिस्ट है, काउंटेबल नाउन की, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के बराबर में जो प्लूरल नाउन भी है. ओके, दीज ऑल आर नॉट ओनली अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, दीज ऑल आर प्लूरल नाउन्स टू. मीन्स यहाँ पर हमें बताया है यूज ए और एन विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स. हमने जो है ए और एन लगाना है, कहाँ लगाना है? काउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ लगाना है. एंड नेवर यूज ए और एन विद अ वर्ड दैट इज प्लूरल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. कभी भी हमने ए और एन इस्तेमाल नहीं करना विद अ वर्ड, वो वर्ड जो प्लूरल से हो, जो प्लूरल हो और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल काउंटेबल नाउन्स क्या है भाई यहाँ पर? एलिफेंट, एन एलिफेंट, अ कार, अ टीचर, एन अनियन, an interesting story, and MA in English. Here MA is what? M starts from the letter of consonant. It's a consonant letter M, but it gives a sound of vowel like MA. So here we will be using here NMA in English. A university, the same way university, U is a vowel letter sound. U is a letter of vowel, but it gives a sound of consonants. That is why we'll be using here a university. All right. So यहाँ पर मैंने आपको countable nouns के बारे में बताया है. That is why we used here A or N with all of them. All right. But right now I'm going to explain you about uncountable nouns and plural noun. Water is what? Water is uncountable noun. We cannot put any A or N with water. यहाँ पे हमने क्रॉस लगाया हुआ इसीलिए कि because we cannot put A or N with water. Sugar, salt, knowledge, these all are uncountable nouns and we cannot put any A or N, all of these uncountable nouns. Books, trees, books and trees are what? Books and trees are plural noun. ये जो है प्लूरल नाउन है, इनके आगे S लगा हुआ है, ये प्लूरल है, इसी वजह से we cannot make them we cannot put A or N with books and trees. Alright, we cannot use A or N with books, trees. Advice is an uncountable noun and we cannot use here any A or N. We cannot use indefinite article with uncountable noun and with plural nouns. Is it cleared? Well, for example, I read a book and I read book. Which one is correct? I read a book or I read book? Book is what? Book is a journal. Book is a common noun, and as well as we must need to put here A, and this is a singular noun. Book is a singular noun. That is why we will be using here A. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हम I read book. We cannot say I read book. अगर हमने I read book कहना होगा तो हमने यहाँ पे लिखना होगा I read books. S लगाना होगा, प्लूरल यूज करना होगा. Then we cannot put any A or N. But right now हमारे पास यहाँ पे singular noun है. Book is a singular noun here. इसलिए we used here A. He drives an old car, and he drives old car. So here old car, old is what? Old is an adjective, and old starts from the letters from the letter vowel. That is why we used here n. We cannot say like this, like he drives old car. We can just simply say he drives an old car. I asked her for advice. And next one is I asked her for an advice. Which one is correct over here? For an advice is a right or for advice is a right? Because advice starts from the letter vowel. It starts from the vowel letter advice. So you must be thinking that why we haven't put here and why this is wrong. You must be thinking that this one is the right. I asked her for an advice. This must be the right one, because advice, it starts from the vowel letter. So we should put here, and you must be thinking, but this is wrong. Because as I have already explained you, advice is what? Advice is an uncountable noun. That is why we cannot put here any article here. We cannot put here indefinite article here. It will be simple like I ask her for advice. We will not hear any a or n with uncountable noun. Alright. Let's move to the next rule. Use a or n to talk about non-specific things or people. यूज ए और एन टू टॉक अबाउट नॉन स्पेसिफिक थिंग, मतलब जो चीज़ आपके लिए इतनी पर्टिकुलर नहीं है और स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, तो वहाँ पर वी विल बी यूजिंग ए और एन. लाइक डू यू हैव अ पेंसिल, मीन्स वी डू नॉट नो दैट विच पेंसिल. आई डू नॉट मेंशन ओवर हियर दैट विच पेंसिल एंड किसको देनी है, कहाँ है. वी हैवंट मेंशन एनीथिंग ओवर हियर. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर ए, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट मेंशन्ड properly. I want to buy an apartment. I want to buy an apartment. So here we are using here an apartment. Why? And we are not यहाँ पर हमें नहीं पता कि which apartment. So that is why we will be using here. And if you are feeling sick, you should go and see the doctor. You should go and see a doctor. So you should go and see a doctor. यहाँ पे जनरल बात हो रही है कि जाएं और डॉक्टर को दिखाएं. हमने ये नहीं मेंशन किया कि कौन से डॉक्टर को, कौन से हॉस्पिटल में. We did not mention the complete sentence. We did not mention the complete way of this sentence, like कौन से डॉक्टर कहाँ. So इसीलिए यहाँ पर हमने we used here a and see a doctor. Next rule is to change a proper noun into a common noun. देखिए, when we change a proper noun into a common noun, there we use a. कायदे-आज़म is what? कायदे-आज़म is a proper noun. Qaid-e-Azam is a proper noun, but right now it converts into a common noun. Like the Pakistani needs a Qaid-e-Azam to solve their problem. The Pakistani needs a Qaid-e-Azam to solve their problems. तो यहाँ पर ये जो Qaid-e-Azam है, ये proper noun से common noun में convert हो गया, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर are use किया. Alright. When an individual or animal or thing represents a class. When an individual means जब कोई एक चीज़, जब कोई एक शख्स, जब कोई एक स्टूडेंट. इंडिविजुअल बहुत सारी किसी चीज़ का मजमुआ है, इंडिविजुअल सेपरेट. When an individual और एनिमल और थिंग, जब कोई एनिमल हो या कोई भी चीज़ हो या कोई शख्स हो, जब ये रिप्रेजेंट्स करता है अपनी क्लास को, मीन्स कोई भी इंडिविजुअल, when any individual represents its class, like a tree is a thing. A tree gives shade. It represents its class. यहाँ पर ये जो है a tree gives shade, ये अपनी क्लास को represent कर रहा है. So here a tree. A student should devote at least 6 hours to study. So a student is an individual and it represents its class. A student should devote at least 6 hours to study. So इसीलिए यहाँ पर a use होगा. To point to an unfamiliar person, animal और थिंग. जब किसी भी अनफैमिलियर पर्सन की बात हो रही है या एनिमल की बात हो रही है, इंसान की बात हो रही है, चीज़ की बात हो रही है, तो यहाँ पर भी हम लगाएंगे Khalid has come to meet you. Khalid has come to meet you, like unfamiliar person. Next rule is we don't use a or n before the name of any meal. We don't use a or n before the name of any meal. Like we had lunch at noon. We cannot say we had our lunch at noon. We had our breakfast at noon. We had our dinner at noon. Like कोई किसी भी मील के बारे में बात हो रही, so we cannot use a or n before any noon. before any meal, whether it's a lunch, dinner, brunch, or breakfast, whatever. Alright, do not use a or n before words like school, college, or prison when we are talking about them in a general way. We do not use a or n before words like school, college, or prison, etc. when we are talking about them in a general way. I hope to go to college. Spent 3 years in prison. So here we did not use any a or n with college and prison, because it talks about in a general way. And next rule is, we often use a when we mention something for the first time, and then change to the when it's clear which things we are talking about. Very important point, and please just be focused what I am trying to explain you about. We often use a when we mention something for the first time. मीन्स जब हम किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में फर्स्ट टाइम बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर वी यूज देयर ए, बट उसी बात को हम दोबारा रिपीट कर रहे होते हैं तो वहाँ पर हम यूज करते हैं द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू अ मैन. He was talking to a man. A man. He was talking to a man. The man was laughing. So, he was talking to a man. यहाँ पर हमने जो आ लगाया है, क्यों लगाया? क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है यहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट टाइम इस बंदे की बात हो रही है. he was talking to a man, वो इस बंदे से बात कर रहा था. The man was laughing, कि वो जो आदमी हंस रहा था. तो यहाँ पे हमने दा दोबारा इसलिए लगाया है इस सेंटेंस में क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है उसी शख्स की दोबारा बात हो रही है. अब वो शख्स हो, कोई चीज़ हो, जब उसी चीज़ की जब दोबारा बात हो रही होती है देन वी विल बी यूज देयर द. बट यहाँ पे मैं दा का कॉन्सेप्ट दूसरी वीडियो में क्लियर करूँगी, दैट वे वी यूज द. मैं यहाँ पे आपको आगे क्लियर बता रही हूँ, आगे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर रही हूँ. ओके, शी गेव हिम अ प्रेजेंट. शी गेव हिम अ प्रेजेंट. अ प्रेजेंट हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया, यूज्ड हियर अ प्रेजेंट, बट अगेन द प्रेजेंट वाज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. द प्रेजेंट वाज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. दोबारा जब हमने इस प्रेजेंट की बात की है तो देयर वी यूज द. ऑलराइट, सो आई हैव क्लियर्ड ऑल ऑफ दीज रूल्स ऑफ ए और एन. दीज rules are very important to learn. These rules are very important to understand. If you are not understanding anything, so please you can comment below, and otherwise you can just do practice for all of them. These articles will be very helpful for you in all of your exams. All right, and hopefully all of these points have been cleared and all of these rules have been cleared. If there is still any questions, so please you can ask to me by your comments. Okay, thank you.